As construction begins, we need to protect our tools and anything that we install from theft. Today, we're installing an alarm system. Hey, Wes.
Hey, Scott, how you doing?
What's going on?
Yeah, we're just getting the new alarm system installed. This was the old system, basically a glorified keypad.
And that was tied into that big mess of wires that I saw downstairs.
Yes, it was tied into there. All the cables and the connections would go to that box and that siren. And now the new system here is all self-enclosed. Everything's included. Cellular radio, backup battery, siren is all in one system here.
So this is completely wireless?
Yes, completely wireless. And typically what would happen is the burglar would come through and cut the telephone lines. You would never be notified.
Oh, okay.
So now with this system all being cellular, there's nothing to cut. So within 10 seconds after the alarm goes off, your phone's ringing.
Makes sense. This is where the heart of the operation is. What else is there?
Well, let me show you.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the new technology, the new motion detector. What makes this one different than the old motion detectors is this actually has a still shot night vision camera inside of it. So as soon as somebody breaks into the home, it's instantly taking a picture. So it just caught us as we were coming through into here, and it should have snapped a picture. Yep, and here it is.
Look at that.
Yep. The other cool thing that we installed was an automatic deadbolt. So this automatic deadbolt will automatically lock your house if you forgot to. And what's even better is as soon as you put your code in when you come home, not only does it open up the deadbolt, it automatically disarms, so you're not having to disarm twice.
That's neat. That's really neat.
And the other nice thing that we did is we'll put a full HD camera on the back of this garage.
Great.
What makes this camera different, what's really exciting about it, is that you can actually zoom into 4 different areas of that same image and be able to get real good close facial images.
Wow.
Right with that one shot.
That's great. And what's going on over here?
And Mike's he's going to be installing the wireless sensor. So the typical wireless sensors that you've seen before are the big bulky boxes.
Sure.
Yeah, they're kind of an eyesore. So what's new is these ones right here. This is a wireless plunger. It gets inserted into the door frame, and it takes a watch battery, lasts about 5 years.
That's great.
There you go, Mike.
Thanks, sir. All right, well, I'd like to hear this. Can we test it?
Sure, we can give it a shot. So we'll go ahead and we'll give it a makeshift. And then you press the lock button right on here. Automatically locks the door. Okay, we'll test it out. I'm just going to go ahead and unlock it.
All right.
And we're going to force it to go off. Yep.
I don't think anyone's going to steal anything from this job site.
No, I think we're okay.
Nice job, Wes.
Thanks.
That was good.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.